What if your body is secretly failing you every single night? You go to bed thinking you'll wake up refreshed, but instead you open your eyes in the morning feeling just as drained as when you lay down. Your energy is gone, your confidence in the bedroom isn't what it used to be, and even simple tasks leave you feeling tired. This isn't just getting older, it's a warning sign that your body's nightly repair system is breaking down, and most men don't even realize it until it's too late. I hear this all the time. Men telling me they sleep but never feel rested, that their mornings are heavy and sluggish, and that their mind feels foggy throughout the day. Some even say their drive and motivation have faded, leaving them frustrated and irritable. The truth is, all of this starts in your sleep, because during your deep sleep, your body is supposed to be doing its most important work: producing testosterone, repairing your blood vessels, restoring your energy, and sharpening your mind. If that process breaks down, the first things to disappear are your strength, your energy, and your drive. The telltale signs of a nighttime magnesium deficiency are easy to spot. Do any of these sound familiar? You're waking up 2 or 3 times a night to urinate. Your sleep is light and easily disturbed, filled with strange dreams or sudden awakenings. You experience cramps, muscle tension, or a tingling sensation in your legs. You wake up exhausted, as if you hadn't slept at all. You feel more anxious or impatient during the day, and your morning erections are less frequent or weaker than they used to be. If you notice 2 or more of these symptoms, your body is likely crying out for magnesium at night. This mineral is found in foods like dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and certain whole grains, but there are 2 significant challenges. First, modern farming practices have left our soil, and therefore our food, with less magnesium. Second, a man's body over 60 absorbs far less of it, even when he eats well. This is why, despite your best efforts, the deficiency continues, leading to that quiet decline in energy and vitality. Getting the right nutrients is the first and most crucial step to rebuilding your body from the inside out. For those of you ready to build that foundational health, let's talk about the specific types of magnesium that will truly make a difference. It's important to understand that not all magnesium is created equal. When you visit a pharmacy or supplement store, you'll see many different forms like oxide, citrate, and glycinate. The biggest mistake most people make is buying the cheapest one, assuming they are all the same. But the form you choose makes a huge difference, especially if you're focused on improving erections, sleeping deeply, and regaining energy and mental sharpness. The 2 forms of magnesium most beneficial for men over 60 are magnesium bisglycinate and magnesium l-threonate. Bisglycinate is highly absorbable and gentle on the stomach. It works directly on your nervous system to promote deep, relaxing sleep, soothe tense muscles and blood vessels, and reduce nighttime anxiety. It's the best choice for men who want to improve their sleep and wake up with a feeling of renewed vigor. L-threonate is unique because it's the only form that easily crosses the blood-brain barrier. It's incredible for improving focus, memory, and cognitive function. And so, if this is what you need, I highly encourage you to check it out at l-threonate. What can you expect to experience in the first few days? In the first 1 to 3 days, many men find they fall asleep more easily and feel a natural sense of calm. The body seems to shut down faster, muscles feel lighter, and your heart rate naturally slows. By the 4th to 7th day, you'll likely start waking up with more energy and less heaviness in your legs. Morning erections can return without effort, the urge to urinate at night may lessen, and your mind will feel sharper and less irritable. After 2 weeks of consistent use, you can look forward to continuous, deep sleep for 6 to 8 hours. You'll also notice a significant reduction in anxiety and negative thoughts, a natural improvement in your libido, and a wonderful feeling of self-confidence and being fully alive again. This, I must emphasize, is all without using heavy medications, synthetic hormones, or suffering from unwanted side effects. I've heard from many men who say they tried magnesium but felt nothing. When I look into their situation, I often find they made one of 3 common errors. The first mistake is using magnesium oxide or other cheap, low-quality forms. This is the most common form on the market, but it has very poor absorption and often causes digestive issues. You should avoid it. The second mistake is taking it in the morning. Magnesium's relaxing properties can leave you feeling sluggish and sleepy during the day, and you won't get the key benefits you need at night. Always take it in the evening. The third error is taking it inconsistently. Magnesium works cumulatively in the body. If you take it one day and skip the next, you disrupt your body's rhythm. You need to be consistent for at least 14 consecutive nights. Some men ask me, can I take magnesium if I'm already on other medications? This is a very common and important question. Since magnesium is a natural mineral your body needs, it can be safely used alongside most common medications, such as those for blood pressure, cholesterol, or mild anxiety. However, if you are on controlled or blood-thinning medication, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor to be sure. What I want you to take away from this is simple. Poor sleep and low energy are not a normal part of aging. They are warning signs of a deficiency you can actually fix. Your vitality isn't gone, it's only sleeping, and with the right support, you can wake it up, starting tonight. So I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle right now? Is it poor sleep, low energy, or fading confidence in the bedroom? Drop your answer in the comments because chances are you're not the only one dealing with it. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more life-changing tips. Remember, real vitality has no age. It all begins with how you recharge your body at night.